Welcome to this session on Smart Development ASP.NET with the AI Tools and Tutorial Part 4. Build an Employee Management App. Let us start by asking ChatGPT to generate our model class. You can see it instantly creates all required properties, saving typing effort and ensuring clean structure. Next, I am asking ChatGPT to create a database context. It writes the code with the correct EF syntax. I just paste and link it with the SQL server in my program file. Within seconds, ChatGPT gives me a complete CRUD controller. It includes index, create, edit, delete actions, all ready to connect to my database. Now, we will get our bootstrap styled view from ChatGPT. Notice how it formats the table neatly with headings and loops through each employee. Whenever I get an error, ChatGPT acts like a mentor. It explains what the issue means and suggests the right fix. No endless Google searches. ChatGPT is great at generating SQL queries too. It can instantly help with the grouping, filtering, and joins. Finally, ChatGPT helps me document the project neatly, explaining setup, technologies, and features automatically. This is where ChatGPT becomes your full stack assistant. It gives both ASP.NET Core and React integration code, helping you connect API endpoints smoothly. As you can see, you can use ChatGPT daily, not just for generating code, but for learning concepts, debugging, and improving logic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like for more tutorials.